Christmas in July at AC Hotel. Oh, that smells nice. Very sure your sinus is not hurting. Yeah. What's your tension, okay? I'm Sarah over here. Wait, but just here. I know she's lost. I sprinkle this on everything, making a comparison with this year's event than that of Pegasus last year. This year is definitely smaller. Because we registered when we were entering in, we got a passport upon leaving. In it, we can find all the businesses and their contact information, from their email to their Instagram. In keeping up with tradition, we headed to Emancipation Park for some fun and games after.
There was no way to say enough to pull your hand.
Yeah, them said,
yourself.
don't use your hand, touch the ground. So, ready?
Hold on. Let's see if we get up fastest.
Ready?
Go!
I know that can't spin over. That can't never turn over.
Mark, set, go.
Watch out. Now you use your hand.
2, 1, go.
No! Come on.
Here's the tiebreaker.
2.
1, go.
No! It's not gonna No!
Don't make him take it off. Don't make you take it off.
Come on.
I can't! No! I actually can't get her our socks. Just admit defeat!
Admit defeat, she says. Admit defeat.
Put it back on, yes!
Take it off, Valerie.
I'm putting it back on.
No, come on.
No, you don't have to put it down, man.
No.
Makes sense.
But that makes sense.
Oh, they're looking wrong for them. No! I am trying to go from her.
Valerie, take off the socks now.
I can't reach. Sit on it. Sit on it. I can't get up. I can't even.
Someone win.
No, I'm letting open the feet.
Not gonna do that the whole day.
No matter. That's something to do.
Round 2.
Where can I get the foot? I can get up again.
Nagano ta shot.
I got it! No! Did I get it? No! Look on me! Oh man! I actually can't hold back because they're older and stronger, so I'm a bit older and stronger.
Watch out! Hey!
Okay, I'm the big one.
Now you pop him on.
Hey, that looks like Charlie.
Get away there! You can't slap him! Oh, it's not a part of the game. That's child abuse. Oh, God. Where's the you win next? Come on, get on the floor, you two. Get on the floor, you two. Get on the floor.
Get aside!
Oh gosh, no! That's not fair.
That is not fair!
No, that doggy.
Okay, in the left corner we have a 5'5". 5'5". Oh! She goes to the left. The big mama is going. Oh, the mama goes offensive. The mother goes offensive. Mary has nothing to do but just sit there, and the mother wins. She even slapped the strap in her face. Mother against daughter. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, fight. Oh, the daughter goes offensive, but the mother tries her best. Oh, I've never seen this in all my 90 years of commentating. The tangle, she's tangling it, and the mother wins again.